Here you can see I am at Ataturk Bridge now. Well, today is my last day here in Istanbul. I have been here for the past 5 days, so I decided to explore this beautiful bridge before heading to the airport and unwind at a restaurant after visiting this place to make the most of my last. Alright, this bridge is a road bridge across the Golden Horn in Istanbul. It was constructed between 1936 and 1940. This bridge accommodates straight line and has pedestrian walkways. And it is 477 meters long and 25 meters wide. Also, it is named after Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, the founder and first president of the Republic of Turkey. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Just look at that gorgeous city of Istanbul. Behind me, both the European nation sites, with its stunning mosques, and the sea where ships are sailing on. I will really miss this beautiful city and my time here, but I hope to return soon in the near future. Okay, my unforgettable journey to Istanbul has come to an end. I want to extend a big thank you to everyone who has supported my videos. I also hope for more likes and subscriptions so I can keep traveling and sharing more videos. So this is where I'm gonna end my today's vlog. See you soon, and until then, stay safe. Thank you.